7. Powerful vegetables to lower bad cholesterol. Backed by Dr. Eric Berg. Ethelallera here, guys. Join me up until the end. Let's go, guys. Did you know that certain vegetables can naturally lower your bad cholesterol levels? According to Dr. Eric Berg DC, these 7 vegetables aren't just healthy. They could help unclog your arteries and protect your heart health. Let's dive in and find out which ones they are. Here are 7 powerful vegetables to lower bad cholesterol or LDL. The top 1 vegetable that lower bad cholesterol, kale vegetable. Kale, rich in fiber, antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, vitamin K. How it helps binds bile acids in the gut to reduce total cholesterol. The top 2 vegetable that lower bad cholesterol, spinach vegetable. Spinach, rich in nitrates, folate, magnesium. How it helps? Improves arterial function, reduces LDL oxidation. Spinach, the 3rd vegetable that lower bad cholesterol, broccoli. Broccoli, rich in 1. Sulforaphane, 2. Fiber, 3. Vitamin C. How it helps? Lowers cholesterol by binding it in the gut and promoting excretion. Number 4 might surprise you. It's a vegetable most people overlooked. These are more than just side dishes. They're powerful natural tools against bad cholesterol. Dr. Berg emphasizes not just what to avoid, but what to eat, and these veggies are key. Let's break down how each vegetable works in your body to support healthy cholesterol levels. Moving on, the fourth vegetable that lower cholesterol, Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts, rich in 1. Soluble fiber, 2. Glucosinolates. How it helps? Soluble fiber helps trap LDL and flush it out. The fifth vegetable that lower bad cholesterol, asparagus. Asparagus, rich in inulin, a prebiotic fiber, 2. Folate. How it helps? Supports liver detox and reduces LDL production. The sixth vegetable that lower bad cholesterol, garlic. Garlic, rich in allicin, sulfur compounds. How it helps? Naturally lowers cholesterol and improves blood pressure. The last vegetable that lower cholesterol, or the number 7 vegetable, red cabbage. Red cabbage, rich in 1. Polyphenols, 2. Fiber, 3. Anthocyanins. How it helps? Protects arteries, reduces inflammation and LDL. So, how many of these cholesterol lowering vegetables are already part of your meals? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more health wisdom from trusted experts like DrEricBerg DC. Stay healthy and eat smart. See you on the next one. Bonus tips from DrEricBerg DC. Avoid starchy vegetables like potatoes or corn if you're targeting cholesterol through keto or low carb. 2. Eat vegetables raw or lightly steamed to preserve nutrients. 3. Combine with healthy fats. Example given are olive oil and avocado to enhance absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. That's according to Dr. Eric Berg DC.
These are the 7 vegetables that lower bad cholesterol, according to Dr. Eric Berg DC. Number 1 kale. Number 2 spinach. Number 3 broccoli. Number 4 Brussels sprouts. Number 5 asparagus. Number 6 garlic. Number 7 red cabbage.
Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethellallera here is signing off.